Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kate. I own Poppy Jane. It is a boutique located here in St. Petersburg, Florida, and we're also an online store as well. My mom and I own it together, and my channel is all about the behind the scenes and business side of boutiques. So follow along for today's video. In one of my previous videos, I talked about 3 ways to increase your sales during the fourth quarter, or things to like try out during the fourth quarter. And one of the things I mentioned was Selmo. And so this is kind of a follow-up video to that because I didn't want to overwhelm you with too much information in the last video, but I feel like this video is going to be so informational for you guys. So when I learned about this, I was a little bit mind blown, and I'm really excited to share it with you because it is something that I'm going to be trying to integrate into my own sales plan in the fourth quarter. So in my last video, I talked about how Selmo is a platform where you can link up your Shopify, and then you could also link up different social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and anything you post, you can tell the customer there's a certain code for each product. And so if I wanted to sell this top and I said, in my post or in a live sale as well, guys, this top is product number 200, comment sold 200 and your size, and then immediately they get a little message from Facebook, Instagram, Messenger that gives them a link to check out, and the checkout is actually right on Shopify. So that's what I love so much about it as a boutique owner. It's going right to my actual checkout as a Shopify that's like branded and all that kind of stuff to me, and then I'm just getting the order like a normal order on Shopify. But what I didn't mention in that video is that Selmo actually has an app, the Selmo app for customer facing shoppers. So let me just say, there is a lot of people out there who like really enjoy watching live sales and shopping from live experiences. And so what Selmo app is doing is getting customers, and there is over 1 million customers on this app that love live sales. And so without even knowing these customers, you are able to go live, and your live's gonna show up on the Selmo app. And these customers have this app, and they can shop and browse and find your live sale and find your products on the Selmo app and shop right from there. But again, all of the stuff is integrated. They are ordering, you're also just getting the order right from Shopify. So that's really, really cool. Another nice thing about this is that it's keeping you in touch with your customers. So even if you have some trouble with Facebook, because we know we've all had trouble with Facebook before. Let's say that you are blocked or whatever, and you need to get in touch with your customers. All of the contact with customers you can do on the back end of Selmo as well. And as we all know, there is a very hard algorithm on Facebook as well that sometimes we get lost in the mix, or you don't want to be sending too many emails to your customers or all those types of things. They actually have a notification system. So if people follow you on Selmo, you can send them unlimited notifications about your new arrivals and promos. And also, although you could fulfill your orders on Shopify, they can track their orders through Selmo. So they don't have to email you and be like, where's your order? They can manage and track their orders right from their Selmo app, and you do all the normal things on your back end, but they're able to track and see their order very easily all from one place, even if they're shopping like at other places besides for your store. So if you are a boutique owner or a live seller, I would highly, highly suggest checking this out. I mean, with literally all of the benefits of doing this, I don't see why not. Just try it out, add it into your daily sales routine. Trust me, you do not have to be a tech expert. In the back end of all of this, they make it so simple. And plus, like I said, you could be reaching a whole new customer base, and we all know how hard that could be. So like, it doesn't just have to be your people on Facebook. You could be reaching those people and a whole new customer base at the exact same time. Hopefully that helps you guys in some ideas for sales generation in the fourth quarter. I feel like it's the perfect time to try this out. Download all of those apps and just kind of take a look at it. I truly feel like Selmo is going to be exploding in the US. They are currently the live commerce leader in Poland and in Europe, but they're also very rapidly expanding to the US. So I always like to be an early adopter on things, and I encourage you guys to do the same. Download it now, go live, find those new customers, and it is literally just a very easy, simple way to continue to make more and more sales through social media and through the Selmo app. a whole new way to make orders. So I will leave all of the links down below. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. If you guys enjoyed this video or learned anything, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye!